Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can make your crops grow like bigger after you've after it's finished like growing. So as you can see, I have an amber heart here, and like the crop is already there. I can just basically harvest it. But what you'll need to do is you'll actually just need to harvest the crop, and immediately once you've harvested all of the crops, you're going to place down sprinklers. Now sprinklers don't stack, so do not put the same one. I've learned my lesson now, but once you've finished like harvesting them, for instance like this, you're just going to you're going to get your sprinklers, and you're just going to place it all around the plant. You're going to wait for a few minutes till up to an hour, that's fine. And it's going to grow into a big crop. I'm not going to waste my sprinklers though, but I do know that works. So again, you're just going to harvest, for instance, like a crop here, and then you're going to immediately put down the sprinklers, and you'll still be able to get a big crop out of that, which is worth more obviously than if it's smaller. So like an amber heart would be like worth around 200,000 shekels ish. And if it grows bigger and it has mutation, it could grow up it could give you around 200 million. So that's cool. So yeah, that is pretty much it really. You can still add sprinklers even though the plant, like the tree itself, has grown to its full potential. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.